Good morning. The topic decision support system is the important part of MIS. It contains the following points. First, introductions. Second, DSS for decision making. This decision making contains the following points and the data flow of DSS. Now, first of all, I will explain you the introduction of DSS. DSS is an interactive computer-based system to help decision makers use communication technology, data, documents, knowledge and or models to identify and solve problems, complete decision process tasks and make decision. Geographic information system, GIS, enterprise information system, EIS, expert system, ES, online analytical processing, OLAP, software agent, knowledge discovery system and group DSS all be lumped into the category of system we call as DSS. Now the DSS for decision making. First is decision preparation. DSS environment provides data required as input to the decision making process. This is what almost all data mart and data warehouse environments do today. Second is decision structuring. DSS environment provides tools and models for arranging the inputs in ways that make sense to frame the decision. These tools and models are not pivot tables and other aspects of data presentation found in query tools and so on. Next is the context development, decision making, decision propagation and decision management. All are included into the PDF files I will send you. Next is the data flow in and out of DSS is shown in the following diagram. DSS, decision support system. Now inside, that is the external data source, user interaction, schedule operation, real time data equations and automated interaction. Now the outside, report and alert. There are 2 points, report and alert. Decision support tools, multi-dimensional analysis software and query tools, data mining tools. There are 3 tools. The first is multi-dimensional analysis software, also known as multi-software or OLAP, online analytical processing software, that gives the user the opportunity to look at the data from a variety of different dimensions. Second is query tools, software that allow the user to ask question about pattern or details in the data. Third is data mining tools, software that automatically searches for significant patterns or correlation in the data. Now the types of DSS, there are 5 types of DSS. First is model driven, second is data driven, third is communication driven, fourth is document driven and knowledge driven. All are defined into the lecture that present into the PDF. So please refer the PDF that I will send you or share you through WhatsApp. Thank you.